Hello, class. The lesson today, it's negative exponents, okay? Up the top, I put some of the rules about negative exponents. I put really the whole rules about the law of exponents, okay? Then I blew up some more just on how negative exponents work, okay? Because the lesson's on negative exponents, okay? And the way I look at it is the more times you look at these different examples that they give, the more times it might sink in your head and you say, oh yeah, I can remember how to do that. Okay, so let's do the first one. Okay, truthfully, hey, this top example, that fits the first one exactly. Okay, so how are we going to rewrite this? We're going to write it and we're going to just flip it up. Okay, so we're going to have 5 square. Okay, now that might be what your multiple choice test answer looks like, or this could be, don't forget, it could be 1 over 5 times 5, 5 times 5. What would that equal? It equal 1 over 25. So any one of those could show up on your multiple choice answers. Okay, so you kind of know, hey, I can rewrite this like this. Okay, yeah, and that's it. Okay, let's square this off here so the teacher knows, hey, this is my answer. Okay, now let's look at the next one, okay? The next one kind of fits this second example I put up there. You see it? All they really did was flip the fraction inside and then made it a positive, okay? Because you can't have the negative, okay? So we flipped this. We got 4 over 3, still in brackets. You see that? Okay, square, okay? What would this equal? That might be the answer they show on the multiple choice too, because sometimes they do, okay? This could equal 4, because this got to go on both of these, okay? It goes on both, so 4 times 4, okay, or over 3 times 3 equals, what could this be? 16 over 9. So that could show us an answer, okay? What would this be? If you want to reduce it, the 9 goes into 16. How many times 1? How many times left over? 7 ninths. So that could be your answer, okay? So any one of those could show up in a multiple choice. Just so you know, hey, I can rework this down and come up with the answer that they're showing me that they want for an answer, okay? Now let's look at the next one, okay? Now the next one, okay, it actually, what I'd do first, I'd multiply in, okay? So I'd come out with x to the negative 12. Okay, because you want to multiply, okay? So it's 4 times negative 3. Then I'd flip it, because you can't have a negative, so I'd have x to the 12th. And that's my answer, okay? And that's probably what they're going to show on the multiple choice, okay? And that's it, okay? Now the next one's a little different, okay? The next one, the square goes on the 4, but it also goes on the x, because don't forget that's not 4x, it's 4 times x. Okay, so they're both different. So we have the 4 times 4. Okay, 4 square. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? Let me cross this out. Okay, I'm going to cross that out. I'm going to write 4 square first. Okay, 4 square. And then it's x to the negative 10. Okay. Now, I can't leave it like this. I can't leave it with the negative on the top, so it's going to be 4 times 4. 4 times 4. Now we flip it, and it's going to be x to the 10th on the bottom. Okay, so they could show that, but that's going to equal 16. 4 times 4 is 16. X to the 10th. That's probably what they're going to show for an answer. Okay, x to the 10th. Okay, square that off, and that's it. Okay, that's my answer. 16 over x to the 10th. Okay, and more than likely that's what they're going to show. Okay, hopefully this explains how negative exponents work. And really, if you start looking at it, you say, oh yeah, this ain't nearly as hard as I thought. Okay, I can do this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, help my YouTube ratings. And if you have any mathematical friends or any kids in school or grandkids in school, this might help explain to them how negative exponents work and how easy it really is, okay? Thank you very much. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. You have a great day. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.